It's all about access. So we need to provide, in order to build these towers, we install those climbing systems that you see there. And in order to get to them, we need to provide an access. So we put a primary means of access to them, which is the elevator you see on the north leg that will take us to that climbing system. And then to get across to the south leg, we need to put that catwalk so that we have a primary means of access and egress at all times from the ground to the jump forms. It's a construction elevator, as we call it. It can transport up to 30 people, and it goes between 40 to 50 meters per minute. So it's very secure. We put a slow start, a slow end. So it's very comfortable for the people, are all contained all the time. So as you get to the bottom of the tower, you see a landing there, we have a crash deck. People get into the elevator, they are contained, they're taken to the top deck at the jump form. They come out on that landing, which is with handrail, they're contained all the time. So it's actually a very good, safe, and very good means of transportation for the construction teams. We got one elevator because if you see there on the south leg, we got the tower crane. So if we were to have two elevators, that elevator on the south leg will collide with the tower crane wall ties or fixing to the tower. So that's the reason we can only have it on one leg, and then on the opposite leg, the tower crane. And that's the reason why we needed to provide that access between the two jump forms, and that's the catwalk. Okay, the catwalk is mainly steel work, steel components that they are bolted together, welded together. We have made it modular so that we can make up for the changes in length. As we build the towers, as we get higher, we get closer. The jump forms will get closer. Because they get closer, the catwalk needs to be made smaller so we can pull out those modules on the catwalk. So it's a steel structure, bolted, welded together, and then lifted onto place with the tower cranes. Wide enough, we got 180 on its width, it has 170 height, handrails, so it's well protected. We put meshing, we put also debris netting, so it's well protected and secured. You will have one fixed end on the south leg, and it will have a sliding end on the north end, so that is always released for any tensions or any pressure. Right now, that catwalk is sitting at 40 meters high, which is, you see the top of that catwalk right now, it will be the bottom of the road deck in the future. So that catwalk will be useful for us only while we are doing the lower part of the towers, which is the tower legs. The total height of the tower legs will be 140 meters. So it's another 100 meters to go for that catwalk. So the answer is a custom made, especially for this project, because of the changes, I mean, how close we're going to get into the tower legs, so we needed to accommodate that. And the two jump forms that you see now, we're going to merge them into one. They'll become one, and we do the tower head, which is 80 meters high, with one single jump form. This is a cable-stayed bridge. This cable stays is very, you don't see very often the sort of span that we're going to have here. These are 850 meters main span. It will be the largest cable-stayed bridge in the whole continent, and it's of course very attractive to be in one of the biggest, or the biggest cable-stayed bridge in the American continent, and one of the biggest because it's 850 meters main span for a cable-stayed bridge. Professionally, I grew up in Germany, so I'm based in Germany, and I've been working abroad, and I've been in a few projects in Asia, in the Middle East, in many projects in Europe, in South America, Central America, and I'm here in North America.